The 2011 Toyota Matrix. With the Chicago Auto Show set to start in just a few hours, makers have already started to reveal details on their models on display at the show. And Toyota seems to be the first one. The company has just released details on the 2011 Matrix, a model that comes with new standard wheels, interior design features, the Toyota Care complimentary maintenance plan, and standard Smart Stop technology. For 2011, the new Matrix gets all new front and rear bumpers, front and rear underbody spoilers and a large mesh front fog lamp bezel. The interior gets an Optitron instrument panel gauge, new seat fabrics and improved center console. For 2011, Matrix will be offered in two grades, base Matrix and the Sporty S grade, one powered by a 1.8-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine and the other one by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. The two engines will be mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission (ECT). Hit the jump to read more about the 2011 Toyota Matrix. The exterior. The 2011 Matrix features sport coupe-inspired styling cues with a sporty, dynamic shape. The Matrix has rounded rear windows and continuous character lines that run from the front grille to the A-pillar. The S version gets an all-new front and rear bumpers, integrates front and rear underbody spoilers and a large mesh front fog lamp bezel. Also, the S version receives a S Sport package with 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear underbody spoilers, color-keyed rear spoiler and a unique S badge. Customers will have to choose from a long list of exterior colors, including spruce mica, super white, classic silver metallic, magnetic gray metallic, black sand mica, radiant red, and nautical blue metallic. The interior. On the interior, Toyota focused on a driver-oriented instrument panel and console controls. There is a large round speedometer mounted in the center, with a tachometer to the left and red needles that now feature a new white line, a LCD display that combines an outside temp indicator and odometer, trip meter. The car will also get new seat fabrics offered in a choice of two colors: scheme dark charcoal or a combination of dark charcoal and ash gray. Matrix S gets a newly designed leather-trimmed steering wheel with spoke-mounted audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth capability. The engine. The standard Matrix is powered by a 1.8-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 132 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 128 lb-ft of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission (ECT). The S version gets a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with an output of 158 HP at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 162 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute. The S model comes with all-wheel drive (AWD) system and a ECT 4-speed automatic transmission. The competition. The new Matrix will take on its usual competitors, the Subaru Impreza, Volkswagen Golf or Nissan Versa. The Impreza is being offered in two body versions, 4-door sedan and 5-door hatchback, and 4 distinct output levels: 2.5 I 170 horsepower, 2.5 GT 224 horsepower, WRX 265 horsepower, and STI 305 horsepower. The entry-level Nissan Versa Sedan 1.6 base and Versa Sedan 1.6 models are powered by a 107 HP 1.6-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine, while the Versa hatchback and Sedan 1.8S and 1.8SL offer a 122 HP 1.8-liter DOHC 4-cylinder engine standard. The prices. The 2011 Toyota Matrix will make its world debut at the Chicago Auto Show with sales to begin shortly after. Prices will be announced at a later date. Love it powerful 4-cylinder engine, cool exterior and interior updates, S Sport package. Leave it, there are much more powerful competitors on the market, competitors look better.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.